Today I'm going to walk you through the single arm dumbbell bench press. And it pretty much exactly like the standard dumbbell bench press where you're using two arms, you're still strengthening your chest, you're still strengthening your shoulders, you're still strengthening your triceps. But what I really love about this single arm variation is that it adds an anti-rotation component to it, which basically just means that as you're lowering the dumbbell, your job is to not only control it with your chest and your shoulders and your triceps, but also to resist the rotation in your core. And this is a really important point for overall athleticism and just general core strengthening, because if you are able to resist that rotation, your abs light up like a Christmas tree and it recruits way more muscle fiber and way more core abdominal musculature, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it and then explain exactly how you can program it into your workouts going forward. So basically, single arm, so you really only need one dumbbell. You don't need two. I don't want you holding another one in the other hand. And you can either go on incline, flat, decline. I'm showing incline right now just because this angle, it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. But really, personally, I prefer either flat or incline. I don't do decline too much. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna get all the way back and you're gonna start, what I like to do is push the dumbbell all the way to the top with both hands. Just because when you start from down here, if you're starting in that position, sometimes it can be a little bit dangerous for the shoulder if you just immediately start from that dead stop. So I get up to the top position, and I take my free hand and I put it out to the side and squeeze it as tight as I can. It's gonna create more full body tension, and it's gonna help me be able to resist the dumbbell better as it comes down. So from this position, I'm gonna bring the dumbbell down, full range, all the way down right next to my shoulder, and come back up, all the way down and come back up. And what I want you to notice is I'm not bringing my elbow out really wide. It's not coming to 90 degrees, and it's not so tucked that it's hitting right next to my torso. My elbow's coming down at about a 45-degree angle to my torso, and I come right back up. Control down, fast up, and I'm not rotating to the side. My entire body is still staying on the bench press. And what you'd see if someone's doing it wrong is they get a big rotation in their torso, and that means they're not using their abs very much. So control it with your abs, come all the way down to the bottom, come right back up. And that is the single arm dumbbell bench press. Usually I prefer to use this as more of a strength move as opposed to more of an accessory move. So basically what that means is I prefer to use this as one of my first or second exercises in an upper body strength day. So anywhere between 3 to 5 sets of about 5 to 8 repetitions per arm with very heavy weight, okay? So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll talk to you soon.